Hey, morning guys. Hope everyone is doing well today. I wanted to make a quick recap on my MES trade from today. You can see it's still going on right now. I took this short after a big run up, but I just wanted to go over some of the intricacies that I've been kind of going over myself and really trying to nail them home. And this trade's a perfect example of basically everything I've been trying to accomplish recently. So let's dive into it. We had a big run up here on MES in the morning. I wasn't able to get involved. The entry was somewhere over here, and I didn't get another entry on the 15 minute. So no worries. I will wait for the reversal. What I did here, and something that's been on my mind recently, something that I really have brought up to the forefront, is just putting a little bit more thought into my trades. I mean, thinking about them not only from what it's telling you, but just thinking about it from a logical standpoint. I mean, obviously you should be doing that, but I was kind of getting into some trades just thinking about my triggers when really I should be thinking bigger picture. What are these trades really saying? Where should I be entering? Where should my stops be? So these levels I've marked up, these trend lines. I had all this before I got into the trade. Man, look at it, it's still going. And these last few days I've been kind of getting chopped up a little bit, and I've been going back and thinking, man, what could I be doing better? And it all has to do with where I'm entering and what it has to do with trend. So like I said, we had this big run up. I had this trend line going. We broke through it. Once we broke through it, I started to mark up this trend line here, which I wanted to see it fulfill. So what we got next was a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing trend, which this move right here is the profit move, which is what you want to be entering on. And aside from that, you still want your momentum. You always want your momentum lining up with your trend. So what did we have? We had a volume bomb on the 30 minute. We had the break of the 20 level momentum on the 5 minute, which is our trigger to enter. But something that I haven't been doing enough is paying attention to these significant levels, these important areas on the chart. So what do we have right here in this with this level? This is the pivot that made a new high, and it's a pretty important high too. This is straight up, just this is going to be an important level. And it was actually messing around here for a little bit, and I told myself I'm going to wait until this level breaks, and once it does, if I have everything lined up, I'll just grab it, risk off this high right here, and give it a little bit extra, give it some of the ask price plus another pip or two. So I got in as soon as it broke these lows, and it just worked right away, just fell. And this is a pretty, for 27 pips, every pip is $1.25 on MES. So that's a significant trade right there. That's a really nice trade with no drawdown, worked right away. And all you had to do was mark up a few levels. I had this level marked up as well right here, because this is the last low that made a new high before it couldn't anymore. So also an important level. And if you look over here, it rejected it, came up, couldn't break it, came back down. I mean, once this level broke, this important level, as long as there was momentum behind it, it was going to fall. So, I mean, I'm hoping you guys are kind of seeing what I'm getting at here by putting all the puzzle pieces together. Even though at the core, all I traded was the RSI, it really was more than that. It's the level, the important levels, the trend, the rejection over here, the lower high. It all comes together just for this single trade right here. But this single trade is all you need. If I took this with some real size, this would have been a banger. This could have made my entire day right here. It would have made my entire day. And it could still keep going too if you leave a runner on. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing more of this because I don't want to say I was getting lazy, but I definitely wasn't marking up these trend lines and marking up levels like this of importance and trying to just be quick with it. And sure enough, it came to bite me in the ass. So things like this really are necessary. Just take a few extra minutes, look at your charts, try to put everything, put the story together. You know, really, what was this chart saying by getting all these puzzle pieces together? You knew it was gonna be a short once it broke this level. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out a little bit and thinking about your thought process when getting into a trade and things of that nature. But yeah, hope you guys are all doing well too. I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.